That leads us on to the unconscious or subconscious mind. Everything that you have ever learned really is in there. Our habits, our beliefs. The thing about habits, it doesn't matter whether they're good or whether they're bad. They belong in there in the subconscious mind so that we can do as much as possible with as little as possible energy. So when we learn how to do things habitually, we don't have to think about how to do them. Every time we tie our shoelaces, we don't have to go through the whole thing of learning how to do it. We do it automatically. When we drive a car, we do it automatically. So we've practiced, we learn how to do it, it goes in, it becomes just like a habit. Our belief systems are also in there. And the thing about beliefs, when you meet someone who has different beliefs than you, they get challenged because we have them. We have them for a long time. We've had them from our parents, from the teachers. Beliefs are also not necessarily good, not necessarily bad. They're just beliefs. Also, everything that we've ever learned, our memories are in there. You know, you can suddenly be transported back to childhood. All those memories are there. And as I say, we're talking about habits. So one of the things is in the subconscious mind is the habit of smoking is also there. Now with hypnosis, we work on the subconscious mind. So one of the things to really understand is that if everything we have ever learned and experienced is part of the subconscious mind, then that's a very, very large part of the mind. And it's there for our protection because it knows what we know and it knows what's worked for us and what doesn't work for us. And it's there to keep a check on this. Of course, some things that get in, like smoking, that aren't particularly helpful. So we're here to work on this change. But as I say, that part of your mind is there for your protection as well.